Smooth, powerful, stable, elegant. The Bruno Elite Curve is the most technologically advanced custom curved rail stairlift in the world. But users will tell you it's the ride, the steady, comfortable ride that makes this stairlift so special. That and the beauty of its styling. Every Elite Curve is a work of art. Its gently curved rail is handcrafted by skilled artisans from exact measurements of your staircase. And no stairway modifications are required when the rail, carriage, and seat are installed. The exclusive design of the rail and mounting clamps can place the rail as little as 7 inches from the wall. When the unit is not in use and the seat, armrest, and footrest are folded, there's plenty of room for family and guests to use the stairway. While it is undeniably beautiful, the Elite Curve may be even more remarkable for its strength and durability. Powered by two 12-volt batteries that are automatically charged at the top and bottom of the rail by a 2-amp battery charger, which plugs into any normal household outlet. Its smooth, powerful drive system uses a self-locking worm gear and rack and pinion drive. Even carrying a maximum rider weight of 400 pounds or 181 kilograms, its soft start, soft stop feature provides maximum comfort. Great products are often judged by the features that are standard within their design. This custom curved rail stairlift meets the test. Here are just a few. A new offset swivel seat makes the entry and exit position at the top of the stairs safer and easier than ever. The footrest and carriage safety sensors stop the unit even if the smallest obstacle is in the way. Two wireless call send controls make installation simple and clean, with no wires running along the wall. The Elite Curve is a marvelous product, not only because it allows you to master your curved staircase again, no matter the size and number of turns, but because it allows you to customize its operation with those options that are important to you. Many people prefer to have the unit's carriage and chair completely off the stairway when not in use. For them, Bruno provides the option of an extended park position at the top and/or bottom of the staircase. In addition, for those staircases which have a landing between top and bottom, the Elite Curve offers an optional mid-park and charge station. Powered options are often the choice of many. For individuals with back problems, the power folding footrest is a godsend. Instead of reaching down to the footrest lever, you simply raise the seat and the footrest comes up. Lower the seat, the footrest lowers into place. For a confident and easy exit at the top landing, the Elite Curve offers an optional power swivel option, controlled by the up-down rocker switch or by the call-send transmitters. The seat can turn up to 90 degrees with a steady, fluid movement. The rider exits with a minimum of effort and improves stability. Your lovely home has an impressive curved staircase, but now it has become a barrier to independence for at least one member of your family. The Bruno Elite Custom Curved Rail Stairlift is the solution, not just functionally, but aesthetically. Let Bruno make your house a home again.